Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around our lovely 2020 20 plate Volvo XC60 B5 Momentum all-wheel drive. Now this car's finished in this stunning black metallic paintwork. You can tell the car's truly been cherished by the previous owners. It's in lovely order throughout. Now this is a petrol hybrid, so it's a 4-cylinder petrol engine hybrid, producing 250 horsepower, which is quite nippy for this car. You've got LED daytime running lights, you've got front and rear parking sensors, this has got privacy glass, you've got aluminium roof bars. We're riding on these lovely 18-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels with a diamond turned outer edge. All 4 wheels are in fantastic order, riding on really nice tyres. Now coming through to the rear, we've got all the badging to the car. So big Volvo badge, XC60 B5 all-wheel drive. Looking through to the boot, it's an electric tailgate, so just press of a button and that glides up like so. Quite a bit of luggage space in the rear, so as you can tell, a wide loading area which stretches all the way back. We've got the parcel shelf present. You've got a 12-volt power outlet in the side there. You've got your first aid kit in the side. Down here you'll find a bit of added storage as well as your tyre inflation kit. Press of a button and that glides down like so. But any angle that you look at it, it's a fantastic looking car. Inside is a full ebony black smooth leather sport seat. So part electric. Looking at the actual driver's seat, as this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear on cars. So looking at the bolster, looking at the seat base, they're in nice order. Quickly then flicking through to the rear seats before we step into the cockpit. So the rear seats look like they've been barely used. ISOFIX in the bottom for your child seats. Central armrest with cup holders which pop out like so. You've got load through just there, 12-volt power outlet at the bottom. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, they're in nice order. Now, jumping in the driver's seat, fit and finish is fantastic. So we've got 4 electric windows, we've got our park folding mirrors, electric boot opening, full leather multifunction steering wheel. Now you can control most things off of here. Looking up ahead, you've got a full digital dash and cockpit, so you can get your satellite navigation up on there. As we're doing the video, it's a low mileage vehicle, so it's only covered 17,223 miles, which is absolutely nothing. Coming through to the center display, we've got our climate control on as we speak. You've got heated front seats on this car. Clicking through to the home menu and then the satellite navigation, you've got full SAT NAV, which is very nice and easy to use. We've got full DAB radio, so you've got all the extended channels. You've got your traction control, parking assistance, stop start, lane keeping aid, road sign recognition, speed sign assist, collision avoidance, and then if we flick through to the other side, this is where all your media is. So DAB, radio, Bluetooth, USB, iPod. You've got your download center, vehicle status, and then you've got your applications at the bottom there. So Spotify, TuneIn, Volvo ID, Yelp, Park and Pay, Wiki Location, weather. You've even got Google search on this car as well. Bit of central storage. So 2 cup holders, 12-volt power outlet. You've got a bit of storage just there as well. Automatic box, starter button, all your selectable driving modes. You've got your electric parking brake there. Central armrest with 2 USB ports. Auto dimming rear view mirror. But the fit and finish is superb. So you've got this brushed aluminium detailing all throughout the car. You've got leather on the door cards, on the dashboard. The seats are in very nice order indeed. So, if you'd like anything further on our Volvo XC60, if you'd like finance quotes, if you like a part exchange price, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.